So what's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, sorry but this is going to be a very short video just as there's not much to discuss in today's topic, and that topic is Apple's bug bounty. What is Apple doing with bug bounty and what is this problem regarding? So just without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So when any person kind of hears this word such as bug bounty, nothing will make sense to that person. So that's the only reason why I thought to make a video on this topic and just to make you aware what is actually happening. Before 2 days I uploaded a video, you can see day before yesterday I uploaded a video that there is a problem for the iPad and iPhone users, or there's a problem with iOS users. There's been hacking going on. You can see as I said, the SQLite code database which is there in your operating system, that was leaked, and just because of that any person or any hacker can get into your smartphone since you got an iPhone or iPad, and that's basically the problem, and that's made a big kind of wave in Apple sales, and just everybody says questioning Apple that is this news true. So what Apple's response is, well, this news is not at all true, and if the Apple said that if any hacker could hack their iOS operating system, or you can say they hack the iPhone or iPad, then Apple would give them $1 million. And just before there was once a thing when like this situation was there, and at that time Apple said that they will give $200,000 for a person who will manage to hack iOS, and just now they are like talking about $1 million. That's a big thing, but I just want to tell that if Apple is increasing, is trying to say that they can give $1 million to a person who can hack the iOS system, well, I think that's a very reliable source that iPhones are secure and there's not at all any problem for you guys. Now, and this news actually was uploaded on Forbes, so I thought that this is again a legit news. But again, thanks for watching. Like this is different kind of scenario. Every day we cannot see like this different kind of thing like iOS in danger or iPhones in danger, but it's my responsibility, and again the Forbes is also right in its way. Just even if this is not a reliable news, still it should be put ahead, or people should be made aware about this news, and just that's what I did. And just I want to tell that there's no more problem or danger for your iOS devices. And just guys, I again wanted to also tell that what is bug bounty. Well, Apple is planning, Apple can give $1 million to a developer or to a hacker who manages to get into the iOS device without the user's notice. So hope you have liked today's video. This was pretty much like a short video, so hope you have liked, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, also leave a comment that how was this video and which video you want to see next. Believe me or not, but like leaving just a comment that how was this video, it motivates me to make another video on this topic, or just motivates me to work harder on my YouTube. And so again, yes guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.